Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have a big announcement. We promised this for a very long time and finally it is ready. From now on we decide to have some workshops. They're online, usually in Zoom or any other platform, but this time it will be in Zoom. And in these workshops it is 5 hours per day, and in 2 days we cover all the parts for A1 exam, to the exam that you need to pass in order to apply for MBB visa. It has different names, that's why I explain a little bit. I write all of it in caption, therefore you can find that, but this is generally the exam you need to pass if you want to come to Netherlands as a family member. In the workshop we will cover all the 3 parts you need to pass in the exam. We have KNS, we have Lezen, and we have Spreken. One day it will be Spreken. We check all the Spreken parts, we go through all the exam material together, we will explain it all to you, we tell you all the tricks that you need to pass the exam. And the second day we will go through KNS, we go through all the questions and all the little marks that you can find it, so that you can get exactly 10 of 10 with from the exam. That's completely guaranteed if you listen to the workshop properly. And the second part, the last part, which is the second part of the second day, will be the Lezen part. We explain all the parts that you need to know. This part is a bit tricky, you know it. We give you a lot of materials that you can also after that practice on your own. But the most important thing is that you want to cover all parts of the exam in this 10-hour workshop, which it will be in 2 days. The price for 2 days workshop, each day 5 hours, and we will have a little break in it, of course, will be €120 per person for both of the days, and we will cover all of the parts, and you do not need any other things in order to pass the exam. Plus you will receive all the materials that we have, the ones that are free, of course you will receive that one, but also the ones that are paid, and I created myself and it's in the channel and you can buy it, but those will be all free included, so you can also receive all of that. This intense workshop is especially for people who do not have enough time to spend on the exam to go through it slowly and learn everything by themselves, and they really need a roadmap to do everything at once. And the importance, and also for people who do not have time to attend in our classes, because we have private classes, it's super good, people are very happy with it, we are very happy with our students, but unfortunately it takes a lot of time. So this is a quick solution for people who do not have enough time, or they just want to be on their own speed and want to study themselves. And the most important thing is that if you are not able to attend in that specific hours because it's a long workshop, you will receive the videos after the workshop if you sign up for the workshop. So you can just come to the workshop as much as you can attend, try to stay in the workshop, but if you are not able and you have to hang out, either you can record it yourself or we will send you the recording of the workshop later. So please feel free to text me, I will put my number, I will put all the information there, and do not miss this workshop.